Microsoft Azure is a lot more than just Windows. You can run Ubuntu, Red Hat, virtual machine scale sets of any size. Web apps on Azure support more than just .NET. They support Java, PHP, Node.js, Python. I can run WordPress, Umbraco, Joomla, Drupal. I can do continuous deployment with Git, TFS, GitHub, and more. When I make a web app, I'll make an app service plan, and I can run multiple web apps within one app service plan. Here are some recommended pricing tiers. For example, a standard gets me lots of storage, many instances that can auto-scale, and worldwide availability. A basic still lets me run lots of websites with a little bit less functionality. Premium lets me back up all the time, has huge storage, and huge scale. Be sure to click View All and explore all of the options, including free and shared. Once I've created a web app in the Azure portal, I can configure all the different things web apps offer, like custom domains, and I can scale them up at any time without downtime. I can scale them out and have multiple instances. I can even do performance tests, have staging slots like dev, test, staging, and production, look at log streams and live HTTP traffic, and even explore a live console in the browser. Now that's all cool, but let's deploy a Node app from a Mac. We'll use Git deployment, which is one of the many deployment options offered by Microsoft Azure. Let's switch over to my Mac. Here we are on my Mac. I'll switch over to the command line. I've got a little Express application here written in Node, and I'll push it to GitHub. So here's my app on GitHub. Within the portal here, I'll make a new web app. Now I want to deploy to this web app from GitHub. I'll go to Deployment Options. I can pick any of these places. I'll pick GitHub. I'll pick my Node app on the master branch and hit OK. Azure is now going to use Git to deploy my Node app directly into this web application. Here's the fetch happening. Now our app's deployed. Let's visit it. And there's my Express app, deployed from GitHub directly into Azure. Be sure to check out the documentation for all the details about all the great features that are built into web apps on Azure.